Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question 29 part A and B from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/4/1. The A part of question 29: to protect plants from heat, a shed of iron rods covered with green cloth is made. The lower part of the shed is a cuboid mounted by a semi-cylinder as shown in the figure. Find the area of the cloth required to make this shed if dimensions of the cuboid are 14 by 25 by 16, all given in meters. For the cuboidal part, length as 14 meters, breadth as 25 meters, and height as 16 meters. And for the semi-cylindrical portion, the radius is 14 by 2, which is 7 meters, and the height of the cylindrical part, which is 25. We have to find the area of the cloth required to make this shed. So area of cloth is equal to, one is the CSA of cuboidal part plus the CSA of the semi-cylindrical part. CSA of cuboidal part is 2 times BH plus HL plus CSA of the semi-cylindrical part is 1 by 2 into 2 pi RH, which is 2 times B is 25 and H is 16 plus 16 times 14 plus pi into R is 7 times 25, which gives us 2 times 624 plus 550, that is 1798 meters square. The B part of the question says the internal and external radii of a hollow hemisphere are 5 root 2 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively. A cone of height 5 root 7 centimeter and radius 5 root 2 centimeter is surmounted on the hemisphere as shown in the figure. Find the total surface area of the object in terms of pi. The question speaks about two shapes. One is hollow hemisphere and the other one is a cone. Let's take down the dimensions of each shape. The internal radius of the hollow hemisphere is 5 root 2. Let me represent that by the letter small r, and the external radius is 10 centimeter. Let that be represented by capital R. Then for the cone, the height is given as 5 root 7 centimeter and the radius is 5 root 2 centimeter. Since the base radius of the cone and the internal radius is same, I am using the same letter to represent both of them. We have to find out the TSA of the object. TSA includes the CSA of cone, the CSA of this hemisphere, and the area of the shaded region. The formula to get the CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi capital R square plus the area of the shaded region is pi times capital R square minus small r square plus for the cone is pi RL. Here L is not given in the question directly, so we have to calculate L is equal to root of R square plus H square, which is root 5 root 2 whole square plus 5 root 7 whole square, which is root 50 plus 175, which gives 15 centimeter. We have to give the answer in terms of pi, so let's not substitute any value for pi. Let's keep it as such. Pi is existing in all the terms, so taking it out as a common, we are left with 2 capital R square plus capital R square minus small r square plus r times L, which is pi times 3r square minus small r square plus r times L. Pi times 3 into capital R is 10, So 10 square minus small r is 5 root 2 the whole square plus 5 root 2 into L is 15. On further simplifying, we get pi times 250 plus 75 root 2. The question recommends to substitute 1.4 for root 2, which is pi times 250 plus 105, which is 355 pi centimeter square. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.